Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a Bavarois aux framboises, which is a French dessert. It's made with raspberry and it's quite a fancy dessert to make on any occasion. On top of this, it's very easy to do. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Let's begin with the biscuit base. You will need biscuit crumbs and butter, then mix it together until they hold together nicely. Now take a ring mold and fill the bottom with the biscuit, then flatten it by using a flat or round utensil. You will need to fill the corner properly so that when you add the mousse and the jelly, there won't be any liquid going through the biscuit base. And then let it rest in the fridge for 30 minutes. Second step, let's do the coulis. Put the raspberry, sugar, lemon juice, water, agar-agar and strawberry syrup. Let it cook until it's a thick consistency. Then put it through a sieve to remove the seeds and let it cool down. Third step, the mousse. In a bowl, add mascarpone cheese and whipping cream and whip it until stiff peak. When the coulis is cooled down, incorporate it in the whipped cream. Make sure the coulis is cooled down completely before you add it to the cream. Then add the raspberry mousse on top of the biscuit base. Small technique. To help get rid of air bubbles, tap the pan on the counter a few times after filling it with the mousse and leave it in the fridge for 30 minutes to set. And last step, the jelly. For the jelly, you will need water, sugar, strawberry syrup, and agar-agar. Let it cook for 5 minutes and let it cool down completely before adding it over the raspberry mousse. Leave it to set in the fridge. Then when it's set, take a hot cloth and put it around the mold to unmold the Bavarois. So I'm gonna taste this now. Oh my god, this is delicious. For real guys, you need to try this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And now I'm gonna eat the rest of my Bavarois. See you later guys.